Hey guys, welcome back and congratulations. What is Uizard and why do we use it? Uizard is a smart design tool, or should I say a software powered by AI that enables you to design mobile or desktop apps from scratch or by using a template. It uses powerful deep learning algorithms in order to generate beautiful design themes from the image you upload, photos, screenshots, mood boards, etc. This AI powered UI design tool helps users of all skill level to design and prototype user interface for apps and websites quickly and efficiently. This makes it a valuable tool for product managers, designers, marketers, and anyone who needs to visualize and iterate on design ideas. So guys, why use Uizard? First things first is for rapid prototyping. Uizard's AI powered features like Auto Designer allows users to create mockups and prototypes from text prompts in seconds. Next is what we call democratized design. Remember, we are still talking about why use Uizard. Uizard empowers non-designers and designers alike to create visually appealing and functional user interfaces. Next reason why we use Uizard is because it streamlines workflow. Uizard's features like screenshot scanning, wireframe scanning, and drag and drop editing makes the design process faster and more collaborative. It is focused on design, not code. With this, Uizard focuses on the visual aspect of UI design, allowing users to create and iterate on designs without needing coding skills. Next is what we call the generative AI features. Remember, we are still talking about why use Uizard, and we say generative AI features. Uizard offers tools like theme generator and focus predictor in order to help with ideation, theme creation, and understanding user attention. Next is what we call the collaboration features. Uizard supports real-time collaboration and feedback, making it easy for teams to work together on designs. And that's beautiful, guys. Now it is time to go ahead and create your first Uizard account.